Welcome back, guys. We're just going to do some finishing touches now to our registration form, and then I think we'll be done with it, minus the styling, of course. But so anyway, if we just go back to our page, notice how there was no message at the end to show you how to say that your registration was successful, and also the values are still in here even after they've signed up. So we'll just fix that real quick. After this line, after the MySQL query, we'll say array underscore push. I'm going to push to this error array. Although this isn't going to be an error, we'll still use that array because it's already there. May as well. We'll say span, which is a HTML tag. I'll explain what that does soon. Just give it that for now. You're all set. Go ahead and log in. And we'll close that HTML tag off right there. And I'll put a line break too. And one thing we should also do is change the color. Style equals single quotes color, and let's give it a color. Let's give it a color of 14C800. If I remember correctly, that should be, I think that's a color I used on my website. We'll just try that right now. Okay, so I'll add a semicolon right there and I'll save it. And now that's, when you're successful, that should be in your array. And we'll just do a similar check we did down here. Just like we did with these, we'll just do it underneath this login button. I tell you what, I'll put a new line there as well, just to make sure. So I'll do it below this login button, and I'll copy and paste that text over exactly how it appears here. It must be exact. And I forgot to put a semicolon on while I'm there, so that would have produced an error. So let's put that in there exactly as it appears up there and right there. Now if I save that and go back to the page, I'll say Mickey Mouse Mickey@gmail.com. Yes, that's his email address, I'm fairly sure. Password again, password, and register. What do we have? Let's fix this. 198. Oh, I understand what we did. I didn't close this PHP block off, so I'll close that off. Now it would be fine. I think that value might have been inserted into the database anyway. Oh no, okay, it didn't. So I'll just do that again. I'll head back. Okay, I'll put it in again. Mickey Mouse Mickey@gmail.com. I'll copy that again. Oh. Password. I'll register now. And there we go. You're all set. Go ahead and log in. And I forgot to add a space right there, so I'll just fix that. But notice how it's green with that color thing right there. So go ahead and log in. Awesome. So that works. And the last thing I said I'd fix real quick is just to make sure when you submit your form and it's all good, it removes these values from there. So the way we do that is up here, underneath there, I'll say clear session variables, and then it's really simple, $_session in all capitals, reg underscore fname, so that's your first name one, equals just an empty double quotes, and it's the same thing for lname, same thing for email, and same thing for email too. There you go. Now signing up, and now when they sign up, Goofy, what's Goofy's last name? Oh my goodness. Does he have a last name? Well, he's Goofy Mouse for now. So, wow, I never thought about that. Goofy, and password. Everyone likes the name, the password of password. There we go. See, they'll disappear right now. Awesome. Our registration form is working.